You know all your pentatonic shapes. In case you don't know, I would remind you, you can just follow the notes and then you'll be good to go. I'm Spratz or Georgespratz, and I'm in town to give you something very little today. An easy pentatonic pattern to practice with a pick. I know by now you know how to hold a pick in between your index finger and your thumb. And there are so many ways of doing it, and I've already taught that one here. But this is a quick one. Once you've been able to hold the pick well, what do I practice with? There are 5 pentatonic boxes. In the key of C, for instance, in the A shape, the first one. In the G shape, in the E shape, in the D shape, and in the C shape. If you continue to bring you back to the A shape. Listen to what you're going to hear. Ta 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 ta. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Sometimes you can rest the back of your palm here on the bridge, or you can take a grip here with your pinky, your small little finger on your right. I mean, just in order to be stable. So, I don't think you need some theory to do this. It's so easy. Alright, now instead of doing this same thing on one particular string, then why don't I divide it among the notes of the pentatonic scale? That's the pentatonic scale there. So ta 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 ta. You see, you can hear that I'm following some pattern, some picking pattern. That is ta 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 ta. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's all. And if you try doing this every day, you will become so used to the pick. You can call this 1 plus 4. 1, then the 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then instead of using it on one note, why don't I spread it on about 4 or 5 notes? So ta 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 ta. So in the A shape, learn this. And the other ways you can play this is using only the G shape. That's how it sounds. It's so simple. Do la so la, so mi re do la do. And I apply the same technique in all the boxes of the pentatonic shapes, in all the pentatonic shapes. You can also do it across the board, slowly. Okay, please, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, go on and subscribe. And if you do, press on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. You'll be the first to get it. Don't forget to leave your comments. Alright, like, share, and bless someone with this beautiful tutorial. I come your way every week with a beautiful tutorial. So describe our page to others. And in case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a master, hey, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. See you again and soon.